So we are going to show you about our red light therapy. And so to use it, we want to have this machine plugged in, and then we're going to turn the machine on, and it's actually going to turn the different lights on here. And then we have a number of pads that you can use, and so different sizes. So we have, this is for the face, this is a smaller one, a larger one, we have another smaller one like this, and you can just plug them into this machine, and then they will be able to be used. And so today we're going to take this pad, and I'm going to, it has 20 minutes, I'm going to choose which mode we want to do, and in here we have a book and it has the different modes. And so you can choose 1, which is the endocrine system, 2 is for inflammation, infection, scar tissue, 3 is the ectodermal tissues, 4 is the endodermal tissues, mesodermal tissues, 5 chronic conditions is 6, and 7 is general pain. And then we actually have A, B, and C. So the physical, the de-stress, and the cosmetic. So today we're going to do number 2. So we're actually going to push the arrow, and we're going to bring it down to number 2, and then we hit this, and that turns the pads on. So you can see that we now have the red light, and between the red light is infrared. So you've got the red light and you've got the infrared on this pad. And so then we're going to put that on the person. We have these straps if we want to use them to hold the pad in place. And so we're just going to take that off, and you can, so we're going to have you just put it right, yep. Oops, I just bought the whole thing. There we go. And so then we can regulate it from here. And so then if we want to add the eye one, we would turn this off. And you just insert this into the machine. And you can see there's a little knob here, so it's kind of, you can figure out where it fits in there. There we go. And so we turn this on again. And again, we're going to 2, and we're turning it on. So we want the eyes to be closed. And then you can put this on and put it around their face. And they can just lay with that. And then again, you can regulate how long you want to do it. What it does is it has a 20-minute window, and so it works for 20 minutes. And you can just set it. If you want to decrease that time, you can. And then what I like to do is have it 20 minutes, and then you can choose a different setting and then do another 20 minutes, and just do it as long as you want to do it.